This video covers the importance of identifying your essential team members needed during the delivery of your service. When it comes to service delivery, it takes a team. Let us meet the team members that have essential roles for when work gets started and throughout your order. The primary customer contact is the designated coordinator for your order. They serve as the contact point between your business and Lumen. This person is responsible for ensuring that everything is correct and ready on your end before we start our work. As the coordinator, the primary customer contact also communicates with other members of the team. They are responsible for keeping everyone on the same page. The technical customer contact is the person who finalizes the technical details of your order, including IP address information, routing information, cable type, and service configuration options. They will also serve as your team's contact for technical and issue resolution. The local customer contact will need to know where the access points are, including where service enters the building, floor, room, or suite. If you need assistance locating your access points, your property manager or building maintenance can help. If needed, the local customer contact will then partner with Lumen, and if applicable, the third-party network provider, to grant access and walk them through the building during a site survey. Then, an engineer will conduct an inspection to identify any dependencies and create a plan. Based on their findings, they will inform you of any additional work that may be needed. You will need to ensure that all your location requirements are completed in a timely fashion. Keep in mind, if your order requires work at more than one location, you will need an on-site local customer contact at each one, and the same person could serve in multiple contact roles. Additional network equipment may be provided as part of the overall scope of work. If this equipment is needed, it will either be shipped to you directly or delivered by an engineer. Keep in mind, equipment may be shipped to you by someone other than Lumen. Once received, please keep all equipment in a secure location. If additional work is needed to meet the space and power requirements, either at the entry point or in a floor, room, or suite, you will need to contact another vendor to get this work completed. If you are in a building where the property manager already has a preferred vendor, you will need to work within their rules. To help ensure a successful installation, your team should be established before work ever begins. Please make sure to provide us with your team members' names and contact information. We will make sure to provide you with the necessary Lumen contact information you need as well. By having responsive and knowledgeable team members available, you are helping to ensure that your delivery process is successful. Visit our delivery support library to view short, helpful videos and other information to maximize your service delivery experience. These keys to success will help you every step of the way. Thank you for partnering with Lumen.